How to turn off login alerts notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about turning off the login alerts notifications on the Facebook application. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook or Facebook Lite on your mobile device. For that, you can go to Play Store and then search for the specific application you'd like to look up. And then click on it, and if you see an update button over here, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now come back, open your Messenger or your Facebook account, and then go and click on the three horizontal lines, and then go to Settings, go to Account Center. From here, click on Password and Security. Now click on Login Alerts. Select your Facebook account. And here you can see two different options, that is in-app notifications and email. So if you check this option over here, simply uncheck these boxes and you will no longer get any login alerts of your Facebook account. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can hide, remove, or turn off the login alerts on your Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.